Thao here. A lot of you guys asked me if I was going to pick up the Galaxy watches. Well, look what I got in my mailbox today. Now, I know I'm a little late, but these actually launched here in Canada on the 21st of September. I got myself the 42mm in rose gold. I know it's also available in the color black. I also got my husband the 46mm and it's only available in the color silver. So enough said, let's get straight to unboxing. Alright, so which one should I unbox first? Okay, let's unbox this one. Grab on my unboxing knife. Now, truth be told, I'm actually petrified of knives, so I will look a little uncomfortable. Here, bottom tape. I'm so excited. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Check out the watch. It's still in the box. Alright, just because I dropped it earlier, I'm just gonna hold it like this, but this is what the watch looks like in the box. Okay, let's just put this to the side for now. Alright, let's see what else you get in the box. Let's pull out this tab here. Nice packaging, Samsung. We got what looks like a micro USB cable. Pretty lengthy. You got a nice extension here to charge your watch. You also get a charging dock. This is really cute. You charge your watch this way. Oh my gosh, I love that. Put this to the side. What else? What is this? What is this? Oh, you get extra straps. You also get a larger strap in case you have a larger wrist, so you can just swap those ones out for this. That's pretty cool. What else do you get? And then you have your charging adapter. Set this aside. What else? Then of course you have your quick start guide. Now I never read that. What else is in the box? And that's pretty much it. Now I'm going to quickly put everything away so that we can take a closer look at the watch and what it looks like on my wrist. Why is this so hard to detach? Open, there we go. Check out my watch 10. Oh, I love it. Oh, it feels so nice. I love the rubber material of the straps. They feel so good. So this is what it looks like. All right, so let me see if I can power this on. I'm assuming you press and hold this button over here. Don't fail me. Don't fail me. No, okay, it's not this one. Maybe it's this one. Yeah. The rotating bezel is so addictive. I can't stop myself. It's so satisfying hearing this click every time I rotate it. I won't be setting this up right now because it's probably gonna take a long time, but I will be unboxing the 46mm so you guys can see what it looks like in comparison to the 42mm. What the heck? Why do I always struggle doing this? Here. Oh, he's gonna love this. I'm holding this because I dropped mine earlier, so gotta be careful. And this is what it looks like in the box. Alright, so I'm gonna quickly go over what's inside the box and make sure that I have everything in it, but I'm sure it's gonna be the exact same thing. And yeah, that's it. The exact same stuff. He did say that he wished this came in all black, but I think he's gonna appreciate this because I think this looks much more versatile. Whether you want to dress up or down, it'll be appropriate for evening wear or casual wear. Oh, this is pretty big on my wrist. It looks really big, actually. I love the rubber wristband. This feels really comfortable. I thought it was gonna feel really weird, but I like the feel of it. This is what it looks like on. This is the 46mm, and this is the 42mm in rose gold. Silver and rose gold. In case any of you guys are wondering, this is the thickness of the watch. This is what it looks like. Let's talk about the thickness of the watch. I'm not going to talk about the 46mm because as you can see on my hands, they're obnoxiously big. But for the 42 millimeter, when I go to the gym, I rock this bad boy. This is the G-Shock. Now, please don't judge. It is a little dirty. But if you compare the thickness, it's probably gonna be hard to pick up on camera. They are pretty much identical in terms of thickness. It's just because the Galaxy Watch is black on the bottom. I'm used to a thicker watch and I don't mind it so much. But in terms of weight, this is quite comfortable. This is a dress watch that I would typically wear on a night out. So if you compare these two watches, the Galaxy Watch is much, much thicker than my dress watch. Now, another cool thing that I learned about the Galaxy Watches is that you can easily change the bands with other generic watch bands. Oh, this looks really nice. It just totally changed the appearance of the watch. And this is what it looks like on my wrists. Alright, so I'll be testing this watch thoroughly for the next week, and I will be dropping a full review on it to show you guys my final thoughts and whether it's worth it or not. So stay tuned for that. Thank you all so much for watching. Until the next one, peace. Bye!